feeling down, unmotivated, then this video is definitely for you. If you can see yourself in the next 5 years, are you even willing to take on the embarrassment? So what you get to do is I will break it down to 4 simple steps of what you can do to always feel motivated when life hits you hard. And now we will learn from Jackie Chan as the world's most renowned actor and martial artist. Now let's get down to it. The first step that you can do is to have to understand what is it, the real reason behind it. Now here's the funny part. Most people think that they are feeling unmotivated. They don't have the willpower to get up and do what they got to do right at the moment. Why? Because actually they are missing the clarity. They doesn't know what is it that they are trying to achieve at every single thing that they do daily. At every single day, they don't know what to get. So what you get to do is basically take a look at yourself in the mirror and say like, are you feeling proud of yourself? And what is it that you want to become in the next 5 and 10 years? Let's just start with that. If you can see yourself in the next 5 years, then you can see yourself further in the next 10 years. That should be your goal. And we can also learn this from Jackie Chan. He doesn't lack the motivation, but he knew that he wanted to be a great actor. He wanted to be at least something great in martial art. That's why he trained every single day. He's not waiting for the motivation to come. The motivation comes from himself in everything he do because he know what is it that they want to become. And you can do the same too. Now, for the second part, you have to understand what you got at the moment right now. And I'm talking about resources. Things like your energy, things like your money, and most important is time. We got very small amount of it and we doesn't know how to use it efficiently. Now, if we look at Jackie Chan, we all know that he doesn't come from a rich family, right? And he doesn't come from a wealthy parents. But he knew at that moment, he only got his martial arts skill. So he maximized it and he used it efficiently so it can be the defining factor. It can be unique only to Jackie Chan. And again, you can do the same too as long as you understand what is the available resources at the moment. The third step you have to make, motivation comes from inside of you, not from the outside. All of this external motivation will dies out finally because all of this external motivation will dies eventually. All the applause, all the likes, all the validation, it will all disappear. And if it comes from deep within you, you don't need those things. You can always stay true to yourself, stay true to your goal. Your motivation will always comes right back at you. And all of the things that you have to endure along the way. And if we take a look at Jackie Chan, we all know that he take all of the pain, all of the injuries from all kinds of scenes in every kinds of movies that he take, because he know that it is part of the journey. But how about us? How about you? Are you willing to take on the risk? Are you even willing to take on the embarrassment, all the critique, all the judgment, all of this that will be headed towards you? Now, you have to get it. If you want to get a better life, you want to get a better job, you want to get a better grades at everything, there will be costs. There will be things that going to take away from you, and you have to let that go because you're going to evolve, and it's not going to be an easy part. There will be real injuries, there will be real embarrassment headed toward, but you have to take it all in because it's all part of the journey, because you are going to evolve to the next stage of your life. And the fourth step is you have to understand this is a compounding game. It's a long-term game to get to the place where you want to be in life. If we take a look at Jackie Chan, he doesn't just born with talent or the knack for martial art. He trains hard from early days. He got injured repeatedly and he got embarrassment in many times, but he does it consistently. And you can do the same too. you have to commit to yourself, to commit to your goals, whatever that they're doing, when every time that you want to go to do. And that is how you will always feel amazing every single day, because you know it's a long-term game and you have dedicated yourself, commit to all the risks towards your goal and your ambition. And that is all that we can talk about motivation and Jackie Chan today. If there's anything that you want to discuss, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys on the next episode.